Toyota Motor Corporation is a Japanese multinational automotive manufacturer headquartered in Toyoda, Aichi, Japan. In 2017, Toyota corporate structure consists of 364,445 employees worldwide. As of October 2016, Toyota was the fifth largest company in the world by revenue, and as in December 2019, Toyota was the 10th largest company in the world by revenue. So here are 20 interesting facts about Toyota. Number 1. Toyota founded Toyota. The founder of Toyota was called Kiichiro Toyoda, the son of Sakichi Toyoda, who founded Toyota Automatic Loop Works Limited. Number 2. Toyota used to make sewing machines. Toyota gained its popular recognition in 1937. Toyota was conceptualized in 1933 as a car manufacturing division under Toyota Automatic Loop Works Limited, a company that used to make sewing machines in 1924. Number 3. Toyota Mirai runs on water. Toyota Mirai is the world's first full production hydrogen fuel cell car and converts 50 liters of water into 5 kgs of hydrogen, which it can use for 300 miles. Only 3,000 vehicles have been delivered worldwide. Number 4. Toyota Corolla is the best-selling brand. Toyota Corolla is the best-selling nameplate in the world, with more than 40 million units sold and counting since 1966 to 2013. Number 5. Toyota owns 5 automobile brands. The automobile brands currently owned by Toyota include Lexus, Scion, Daihatsu, Hino Motors, and has a small stake in Subaru Corporation, which is 16.66%. Toyota has 5.9% of Isuzu's share. Toyota also has some joint ventures, 2 in China and 1 in India. In China, it is called GAC Toyota and Sichuan Flaw Toyota Motor. In India, it is called Toyota Kirloskar. Number 6. Toyota is the largest automotive manufacturer. Toyota Motor Corporation is the world's first largest automotive manufacturer in 2016 and the largest company in Japan. Toyota produces more than 10 million cars per year. Number 7. Toyota ranks number 3 in the best engine production. Toyota came third in the number of victories from the International Engines of the Year awards, only behind BMW and Volkswagen, who receive more titles. Number 8. Toyota assembly line produces a new car every 5 seconds. The Toyota Motor Manufacturing Kentucky TMMK is Toyota's largest vehicle manufacturing plant in the world, annually capable of producing 550,000 vehicles and more than 600,000 engines. Number 9. Toyota reaches over 170 countries. Toyota does business in more than 170 countries and has manufacturing plants in more than 28 countries. The only continent Toyota hasn't conquered is Antarctica. Number 10. Toyota invests in flying cars. Toyota is supporting the flying car that will light the Olympic flame in the Tokyo 2020 Summer Gates, but it will not happen because of COVID-19. The Skydrive was invented by a startup called Cultivator, which belongs to a group of young Toyota engineers. Number 11. Toyota is investing in solar-powered cars. Toyota is experimenting with solar-powered technology for cars. They incorporated a solar roof on 2017 Prius plug-in hybrid, which powered the internal car electronics and charges the battery when the car is in parking. We look forward to self-powered car soon. Number 12. Toyota has the highest budget for R&D. Toyota has the highest research and development budget that other automakers in the world does not spend. It spends around 1 million on R&D per hour across the world. Number 13. Toyota has the most car on the road. 8% of Toyotas sold 20 years ago are still functional on the road today. Number 14. A Toyota Tundra was used to tow a space shuttle. In 2020, the Toyota Tundra was used to tow a 68 tons of space shuttle. The pickup delivered the obsolete space shuttle to a honorary parking spot near the Scientific Center in Los Angeles. Number 15. Toyota Prius was the first car to go beltless. Toyota has perfected replacing belt in the engine. The company replaced the steering pump, AC, water pump and alternator with electric motor as seen in the 2010 Toyota Prius. This was the first car in the world to go beltless. Number 16. Toyota produced over 100 million vehicles. Toyota produced its 100 million vehicle in 1990 and its 200 million vehicle in 2012. Number 17. Toyota has the toughest hybrid batteries. Toyota has the most durable hybrid batteries in the market and replacement is a rare occurrence. They are special lithium-ion batteries. No wonder the company has sold more than 10 million hybrids all over the world since 1997. Consumer Reports recently tested 215,000 mile 2003 Prius and found its performance had barely diminished. Number 18. Toyota owns the highest patent in the world. Toyota owns the highest patent in the world. Toyota holds the record of the highest number of patents in the world. Toyota has more than 1,540 patents in the US alone, except more cool innovations to come. Number 19. Toyota participates in several racing competitions. Toyota participates in the most prestigious racing competition, Formula 1, since 2002. The company also participates in other motorsports competitions like WRC. And the last but not the least is 20. Toyota logo was created in 1989. The Toyota logo was created in October 1989. It has 3 ovals. The 2 ovals in the center symbolize a strong relationship between the customer and the company, and the union of these ovals make the letter T from the word Toyota. The space in the background embodies the idea of the global expansion of Toyota technology and its unlimited potential in the future. And here we complete the 20 interesting facts you probably don't know about Toyota. With that said, if you like this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share it, and of course to subscribe.